Good evening, team. This is Paramvir Singh, your project manager. We are today going to talk about risks on our project that we are currently doing. This is our assignment number 3. So, project overview. So, what is the project? Project is the construction of gym, spa, and sauna to upgrade the hotel model to an all-inclusive concept. Actually, the management team at our Big Island Hotel in Hawaii wants to transit from a hotel model to an all-inclusive concept. This kind of concept is very rare in Miami. That is why our board of directors wants to do this project. What are the project priorities? We are taking time as a constraint, budget enhance, and scope we are accepting it. Why we are taking time as a constraint is because the management wants this project to be completed in 8 months. The type of project, it is a strategic project. As per Larson, strategic projects are those that directly support the organizational long-run mission. And this project is fulfilling the strategical requirements of the board of directors and the top management because they want to increase the amount of people coming to the hotel and to upgrade the already built hotel to an inclusive concept, which is rare in Hawaii. Therefore, this is a strategy of the management. That's why we are considering this project as a strategic project. The baseline budget for this project as per the management is $1.2 million. And the risk reserve that we are having for our project is $120,000. Moving on to risk management. What is the purpose of a risk register? As per Larson, a risk register tells all identified risks, including descriptions, category, probability of occurrence, impact, responses, contingency plans, owners, and current status. But every organization has its own template, and our organization follows a different kind of template that we are going to see in the next slides. The risk statement that I am using to explain to you the risk is that the planning of the project and the cost estimation was done keeping inflation rate 3%, keeping in with the increasing recession. Inflation rate may increase from 3 to 3.5% in the tenure of the project. This will not have any impact on the duration of the project, but the overall project budget will increase because the amount of work is the same. The material cost and the labor cost is just increasing. So the cost associated with the risk is taken from the assignment number 2. It states that for every 0.5% increase in inflation, the amount will increase by $10,000. So this is the risk register that our organization is using. The risk ID, that was 1. The risk statement we discussed earlier. The probability for this is 10%. Impact is low because it is just $10,000. We will see that in the impact table. Risk rating is also low, that is from the heat map. And this is the threat. The EVM cost comes out to be cost, that is what $10,000 multiplied by 10% probability, which comes out to be $1,000. The negative shows that it will be a loss, and the EVM duration is 0 days because there is no change in the duration, and the risk category is external. Moving on to the impact table. The impact table that we are used from our assignment number 2, it shows the impact rating, the cost, and the duration. If the cost is less than 5% or less than $6,000, the impact is very low. In our case, the cost was $10,000, which is in between 6 to 12. That's why it was low. Now, this is our heat map. In the heat map, we have probability on the y-axis and impact on the x-axis. So for the percentages and for the impacts, we can see which type of threat our risk has. Like it was low and the percentage were 10%, and our heat maps comes out to be in the low category. These are the references that I have used for my PowerPoint presentation. The impact table, heat map, and risk register templates have been used from assignment number 2, and the textbook Larson has used project leadership and team management. Thank you very much.